Good morning. Our lesson for today is about comparing two or more sets of data. The objective, to compare two sets of data from statistical tables and diagrams. Let us start with a warm-up activity. The price of a new car was £20,000. The value of the car falls over the next 8 years. What is the value of the car after 4 years? It is £6,000. After how many years the value of the car fell to £15,000? It is after 1 year. Different ways to represent data. You are familiar with most of the ways to represent data. All of you know the table, bar graph, histogram, scatter graph, pie chart, line graph, and of course there are more ways to represent data. Let us start with our first example about today's lesson, comparing two sets of data. Two cars, A and B, each cost £20,000 when they were new. The graphs show how the values of the cars fell over the next 8 years. Look at the two line graphs and then answer the first question, which car's value fell more? How can I know which car's value fell more? If I look at the first graph after 8 years, I will find that the cost now or the value now is about £2,000. Look after 8 years in car B, you will find that the cost is about £1,000. This means that car B, its value falls more. How can you tell? It's exactly how did I find it. Look at the two curves. After 8 years, the price of car A is £2,000, while car B is £1,000. Another example. The favorite sports. They asked some girls and boys about their favorite sports, and they represent the data in this bar graph. What is the girl's favorite sport? This is the highest bar for the girls, which is the pink bar. So it is the soccer. What is the boy's favorite sport? Go to the highest blue bar. It is this one, so it is basketball. Which sport is liked equally by both boys and girls? This one. They are in the same level, so it is baseball. Another example. The following graphs show the distribution of blood types for the Japanese and labs. The first question, what can you say about blood type A in the two countries? I want you to look at the bar of blood type A in the first one, the Japanese, and the labs. You will find that it is the highest bar in the two graphs, so it is the most common. What can you say about blood type A in labs? Look at the second graph. You will find that the second bar, which is for blood type A, is the highest between them, and there's a very big difference between it and all the rest. It is like more than 60%. So the majority of the population have blood type A. More than 60% of the people, they have blood type A. Third question, which is the least available blood type in the two countries? It is AB. If you look at the first graph and the second graph, you will find that the shortest bar is blood type AB. We'll go to another example. Favorite colors. They asked some people in Canada and in US about their favorite color, and they represented the data in this way. The first question, what can you say about the green color? Go to the second bar, the green one. You will find that most of the people in Canada, they like it, but less in US. So the people in Canada like it more than US. The next question, which color is almost liked equally? Which one is like approximately 50%, 50%? It is the red one. Did we reach our objective, which it was to compare two sets of data from statistical tables and diagrams? Yes. Thank you very much for watching the video.